Linking your bank to Wally allows you to manage your finances more effectively. Follow these steps to connect your bank account to the Wally app. Step 1. Download and install Wally. Visit your device's app store and search for Wally. Download and install the app on your smartphone. Step 2. Create an account. Open the Wally app and sign up for a new account. You will need to provide your email address and create a password to get started. Step 3. Navigate to bank linking. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SRAP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Select your bank. Choose your bank from the list provided. If your bank is not listed, you may need to search for it or select the option for manual entry. Step 5. Enter your bank details. Follow the prompts to enter your bank account information, including your account number and routing number. Ensure all information is accurate to avoid issues. After completing these steps, your bank account should be linked to Wally, allowing you to track your expenses and manage your finances seamlessly. Enjoy using the app to stay on top of your financial goals.